How to lose belly fat in a single night. Every human has a few stomach fat. Even human beings who have flat tummies. This is normal. But too much of it is able to affect your health stronger than other forms of fats. Being overweight does now not always suggest being dangerous. There are many super examples of overweight people who have splendid fitness. At the opposite, there's the identical quantity of examples of people who are thin, but face a few metabolic problems. All that happens due to the fact that beneath the skin fats does not purpose such a lot of fitness problems. It reasons simplest discomforts from the cosmetic factor of view. Would not it? The actual monster is the fat in the belly hollow space. Not best does it bring you fitness problems, but also it one of the most difficult varieties of fats to get rid of. As a result, belly fats is extra than just an irritant that makes your garments feel tight. How can it deliver fitness problems? You would possibly ask. Right here is the answer. A few fats is there right beneath your skin. On the alternative is deep internal, round your organs. Liver, coronary heart, lungs. This kind of fats is referred to as visceral fats. And this is the very kind which is bad. Even for slim people. Well, don't get disenchanted so speedy. We do want a number of visceral fat although. Bet why? Yes, as it acts as cushions round your organs. But once more, you have to know the degree. Due to the fact an excessive amount of it may cause high blood pressure, heart diseases, or even some forms of cancers. Now, how to understand if you have too much of stomach fat? There may be a sincere manner to do it. Get a measuring tape and positioned it round your waist. Did it? Now you may test your girth. Take into account that you need to do it while you're in status position. Now not sitting, k. It will be less complicated in case you begin and finish at your stomach button. On the way to give you measurements which are more precise. Now, if you're a female and your waist size is less than 35 inches, loosen up. The whole thing is fine. However, if it's miles greater than 35 inches, you then actually must keep in mind this weight reduction plan. Mystery of which we are going to expose very soon. And if you are a man, then the waist length less than 40 inches sounds pretty okay. On more than 40 inches have to alarm you. And the diet would be an excellent way out. Moreover, there are sorts of shapes. A pear size while the hips and thighs are larger than your waistline. And an apple size while your waistline is wider than your hips and thighs. In fact, a pear size is considered safer than an apple length. Why? An apple size indicates which you have an excessive amount of stomach fat. Which means that you have too much of visceral fat on your body. So, in case your measurements show which you have too much of extra fat around your waistline, even if you're now not obese or heavy, then you ought to keep in mind a few ways to say goodbye to it. Appears like an uphill venture, huh? Don't give up that rapid. You'll be amazed to recognize that this task can be achieved inside one day. On this video, we are going to show you an outstandingly powerful and quick manner to lose belly fat. And not most effective it. Have you ever tried weight reduction plan earlier than? Probably yes. Therefore, you know the way exhausting it is probably. This diet will now not handiest make your belly flat. But additionally it's going to help you to lose useless weight and burn those nasty calories. Furthermore, you'll get a purified frame as a result. Intrigued? The food regimen consists of smoothies, juices, and teas. A further notable issue for tea fans. All these items acts as a drink detox. That additionally cleanses your body very speedy. As a way to give you a lift of strength. And the most crucial component is that you'll understand the way of getting a flat belly. And can be able to use it each time it's far required. So, are you equipped to pay attention the maximum awesome eating regimen ever? Right, here's how you may do it. You ought to begin right within the morning. 8 a.m. Drink a glass of warm water with a few lemon juice in it. Good start. After more than 1 hour. Take some other glass of warm water with apple or orange juice in it. Do you discover it thrilling? Then at midday, get yourself a cup of inexperienced tea. Not horrific. After an hour, you ought to drink a glass of bloodless water with carrot juice in it. At 3 p.m., take a cup of your favorite tea. Do you want it thus far? At 5 p.m., have a glass of your favorite juice. That is probably your favorite part of the weight reduction plan. After another couple of hours, take 1 greater cup of green tea. At 9 p.m., snatch a tumbler of water with grapefruit juice in it. We are almost there. Hopefully. Sooner or later, after another hour at 10 p.m., you ought to finish the food regimen the way you started out it. Have a pitcher of heat water with a few lemon juice in it. The important component is which you are not presupposed to add any synthetic elements in your beverages. It might be difficult to agree with, however your tummy will become flat in just 24 hours. Furthermore, your frame will eliminate all of the pollution. So, what are you waiting for? Allows begin it the next day. Do you recognize every other tremendous diets? Proportion them within the remarks section under. Don't forget to proportion your results within the comments as nicely. Do not forget to hit the like button beneath the video. And click subscribe to sign up for us on the healthy side of life.